This is the 16th day of my Kodi Praveshika of Amliki Rasayana, and I have crossed the halfway mark, to say so. It's quite a psychological feeling to cross the halfway mark. It's not at all easy to be inside all the time, but it's not unpleasant either. I've slightly started to like the solitary cabin or the kuti. Maybe that's indication why 2 days ago, on the 13th night, I thought of staying maybe 4 or 5 more days if there is a possibility logistically. But the monkey mind may behave either way, we never know. But for the moment, I'm just thinking of the 30 days to be completed perfectly. So score is like 16-14, and every progressing day is a good sense that things are getting completed. But taming the mind is what matters the most. Yesterday, from nowhere, out of very freak situation of no reason and no logistical thinking, by any means, no logical thinking, and not logical, I felt a sense of a depression or a sense of anxiety or a sense of fear or a sense of restlessness, I don't know, for almost an hour or two. The hangover, which is still slightly left out but it's nearly gone, that came from nowhere. That should have happened in initial days, happened midway. But simply expect the mind to go maybe a bit topsy-turvy once a while. It's all part of the process. I do not intend by any means to challenge what is mentioned in Ayurveda or the Ayurvedic text. But in this Rasayana it is said that after the 11th day the teeth will fall down and so will be the nails. But just no offense to any of our Ayurvedic ancestral writings, but in my case that did not apply, as seen. Maybe it is plates are thankfully intact or whatsoever, and I don't know how much the illumination of light happens, but at least in that point we will have to think something else. If teeth falling was meant by new teeth coming or new formation of the whatever tissues in the body happening, we don't know. If we have misinterpreted the words or there is some mistake in the writing when it was made into a book, we don't know. But anyway, the writing that we find now did not apply to me on the 11th day, at least now today being the 16th. As I mentioned earlier, I do not mean to offend or challenge anything mentioned in Ayurveda. And also the nails did not fall either, but there's hardly much light here. Also the nails that did not fall either. So, but they somehow make me feel that they seem to be more pinkish, but I'm not sure if it's my thought or it is really the case or the dim light. At least the foot nails I can see they are intact also. But anyway, this is just an observation. There is nothing to judge the textbook of Ayurveda. I don't